Well, good evening, everyone. I'm Smita Tiwari, and on behalf of GRFDT, I would like to welcome you all on this GRFDT virtual panel discussion series 1 on the topic COVID-19 issues and challenges of migrants and diaspora communities. Well, GRFDT is a consortium of researchers and policymakers from national and international experts. It works on academics as well as policy think tank in a broad range areas such as migration, diaspora, and transnationalism. I would also like to bring it to notice that today is the 1st May, which is International Labor Day. We also know it as a May Day or International Workers' Day. And I think it makes sense to have a discussion on migrants and diaspora communities on such a significant day because many of the migrants and diaspora population are working as a labor population in another country. So in today's webinar, we have an excellent panel, and we have Dr. Nandini Sen as a moderator. Dr. Sen is an associate professor of English at Bharati College, University of Delhi, a recipient of Charles Wallace Fellowship. Dr. Sen was postdoctoral fellow at IIAS Shimla. So now I would like to hand over to Dr. Sen for further proceedings. Dr. Sen, over to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that lovely introduction. And welcome everyone from across the globe to this first of its kind from GRFDT. We are going to be talking about diasporas and migrants. And I am very proud to inform you that we have audiences from across the globe who have joined in. Let me just tell you how we are going to go about doing this. Um, we are going to be spending about an hour with the panel discussing it. When the discussion is on, if any of you have any pressing issue, any question to ask, please raise your right hand. And then if I will see you and then entertain you. If the question is not really very pressing, then kindly hold on till the end till we have finished the discussion, and then we have 30 to 35 minutes where we are going to be having an in-depth discussion. Once you raise your hand, I will again, you can come back, you can unmute yourself, you can switch on your video, and you can ask the question to the panelists directly. And my request to each one of you, because we have a large audience, apart, there are 100 people who joined in, you people are all from various parts of the world. Just keep your questions short, pointed, and directed to the concerned speaker. So without any further ado, let me introduce to you this incredible panel that I have today. Very eminent speakers, and again, we are being joined from people from across the globe. So our first panelist who I will introduce today is Professor Brij Maharaj. Professor Maharaj, have you joined?
Yes, hi Nandini.
You're there. Okay, so Professor Brij Maharaj is a senior professor of geography at the University of KwaZulu-Natal in Durban, South Africa. He has received widespread recognition for his research on urban policies, segregation, local economic development, xenophobia and human rights, migration and diaspora, religion, philanthropy and development. He has published over 140 scholarly papers in renowned journals. This is a very, very brief note about the person. You will get to know him further and about his scholarship further as you hear him. Our next panelist is Professor Denison Jayasuriya. He is Associate Research Fellow at the Institute of Ethnic Studies, UKM, Malaysia. In March 2018, he was confirmed Practice Professor in Public Advocacy by the National University of Malaysia, UKM. He was honored by the Yang Pertuan Agong with the conferment of Darja Panglima Jasa Negara, PJN, I hope my pronunciation was right, in 2006. In October 2017, the United Nations Office in Malaysia awarded him the UN Award for Exceptional Contributions in the Promotions of SDGs. Professor Jayasuriya, you are with us?
Yes.
Okay, sir, we're waiting to listen to you.
Yes,
Our
I
next
am.
panelist, Thank you for joining us, sir. Our next panelist is Asuk Ramasaran. He is Guyanese born. He was the former president of Gopio International and currently president of Indian Diaspora Council International, president and CEO of Remix Incorporated, an electronics manufacturing enterprise in New York. He has been named amongst the top 100 Indian business persons in the US and is the recipient of India's Pravasi Samman Award and Uttar Pradesh Ratna Award, amongst his many recognitions. May I request everyone to kindly keep their audios switched off? Kindly keep your audios switched off. Thank you.
Mana audio switch off, right?
Our home team, let us say, and people without whom today's webinar would not have happened is Professor Sadanand Sahu. He is faculty at the School of Interdisciplinary and Transdisciplinary Studies at Indira Gandhi National Open University. He is working on international migration and diaspora, and he's jointly editing the peer-reviewed journal Migration and Diaspora, an interdisciplinary journal. He's a life member of GRFDT, and let me also add that he's heart and soul of GRFDT.
Thank you for introduction.
Dr. Rakesh Ranjan, he's assistant professor at the Center for Development Practice and Research at TIS, Tata Institute of Social Sciences. He is also an assistant editor of Journal of Migration Affairs, the organizational journal of TIS Patna Center. He is working on the issues relating to international labor migration and diaspora with a specific focus on West Asia, Southeast Asia, and South Asia. Welcome, Rakesh.
Thank you.
We next have Firoz Khan. He is currently associated with the Institute for Research and Development Modern School. He did his master's and his PhD on labor issues from interdisciplinary and transdisciplinary studies at IGNOU. He is an active member of GRFDT. And last but not the least is Monica Bish. She's working with the Institute for Research and Development in School Education in Delhi. She has completed her MPhil and PhD from National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration in Delhi, India. She has been working on various issues relating to education, labor, diaspora, international migration, exile, and diaspora. So welcome.
Thank you, Dr. Singh.
And before I start the discussion, let me also tell you that we have some other very, very eminent people also as part of our audience. In no particular order, but we have Ambassador Manju Seth, Professor Stephanie H. Donald from Sydney, Australia, Professor Chandrasekhar Bhatt from Hyderabad, India, Professor Binod Khadria from JNU, India, Professor Kamla Ganesh from Mumbai, India, Dr. Sharmila Rathi from Delhi, India, Dr. Sandhya Rao Mehta from Oman, Professor Kumar Mahavir from Trinidad and Tobago, Eric Ojo, he's a journalist from Nigeria. I extend my heartiest welcome to all of you. Let me also tell you—
Dr. Didar Singh also joined now. Dr. Didar.
Yes.
Didar Singh.
Sada, will you talk about him a bit, because I don't have
Yes,
it in my list.
In fact, he is a person from industry and he was Secretary of Overseas Indian Affairs. During his time, all this development happened, research institute like the Migration Institute. And now, after retirement, he was 50 chairperson. Now he's writing books and research on migration also.
My heartiest welcome to you. Let me also add that we have audiences from Malaysia, Trinidad, Tobago, Guyana, Nigeria, Sri Lanka, Argentina, and Spain. I'm told a lot of friends have joined from Trinidad and Tobago, and it is 7:45 a.m. out there. So thank you, and a very good morning to you. Like I said, I don't know what to wish. It's good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, as per whichever your geographical location might be. Thank you so much, so very much for joining us. Let us now get started with what we are here for, our panel discussion. Let me just sort of briefly talk about the time that we are living in currently. It's not the best of times. We are in the midst of a pandemic. our regular lives have gone into a complete sort of chaos. We are not living the kind of life that we are used to living. We don't go to our workplaces. We are sort of all of us facing some kind of lockdown. And then there is this immense fear because there is a pandemic out there. We just hope and pray that each one of us and our families and people whom we know and globally, people continue to remain safe. So there is bad news coming from every nook and corner of the world. But I think what we managed to do amongst all of this is we managed to see the silver lining somewhere, and all of us chose to come together and talk about an issue which is pressing, which is something which is of immense importance in today's chaotic scenario. And that is why we have this incredible panel who we are hoping will make sense of what is happening globally. Which way are we headed? Let me also tell you that we are being live streamed on Facebook and on YouTube at this very moment. So people who have not been able to log in can also watch us there. And then the link will also be available for you to later on share with your students, friends, and acquaintances. With this introduction, let me now get started with the discussion.